I am fully aware of the controversy over Dolls Kill's political views and past actions. If you do not support them, I completely understand. You don't have to watch this video. Please do not comment with negativity, hate, or your political views. Let me be very clear that I do not agree with their actions. Dolls Kill will still make money with or without this video. Feel free to leave suggestions with alternative black-owned brands that carry similar items. It's all love over here. Nevertheless, I hope you stay tuned and enjoy this haul with me. Peace and blessings. Yes. Alrighty, what's up, people? It's me, the one and only CRYPT. You already know what it is. You clicked on my channel, so you know what you're here for or whatever. I'm so happy to talk to you. It's been quite a while since I put out my last video, which most of you have seen. And thanks again for 500. We haven't hit 500 yet, but by the time you see this video, it's gonna be at 500. The last video I did a Shoe Dazzle Miss Lola haul, and this one, as you can see by the title, we are doing a Dolls Kill haul. Now before I proceed, just to make a little disclaimer, I have heard about Dolls Kill being canceled, but believe me, I tried so hard to find black-owned brands that had an aesthetic for the alternative lifestyle, you know, with like the Hot Topic-esque weird scene girl, you know, kind of goth kind of aesthetic. And I really did extensive research. I found a blog that had a various amount of different black-owned alternative scene type clothes, and honestly none of them had anything I wanted. No shade to them, anything. You know, they definitely had nice things, but far as what I was specifically looking for, they did not have. I will continue to do my research. If you know any brands that are like Dolls Kill that are black owned, please drop it down below. But until then, Dolls Kill got what I like. So if you would like to see this haul, go ahead and stay tuned. Let's go ahead and get started now. This isn't going to be a huge haul. I'm going to try to make this video as short as possible, but I would like to share with you the items that I've gotten. This is my first time buying things from Dolls Kill. I've been on their website multiple times, just haven't actually physically bought anything, but I did want to share with you what I got. So their packaging is sick. So this is I got like a couple pairs of shoes, some hoodies, and like a purse. But this is the first box. I have no idea what's in it. The box says, "I'm here, let's party, I'm so down." So it's quite big. It has this cool like graffiti art stuff on it. Super dope. Like, this box is huge. So we're gonna go ahead and, disclaimer, I haven't opened anything yet. So we're doing this together. So let's pop out and see what we got going on, baby. Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this open and see what it's giving. I hope it's giving chitlins and mittens and kittens, baby. Chitlins and mittens and kittens, baby. So let's see. Oh, too hot. And again, if you notice that everything's a little slanted, again, my whole tripod thing is still slightly broken. So yeah, bear with me. So this is how it looks. It says CRYPT Move. CRYPT Move, baby. So this is the pricked off combat boots, size 8. And I will tell you the price, but it's not on here and I don't remember. So if we get to that, I'll eventually tell you. So y'all, I'm excited. Oh, they already tied. Oh, they are so hard. Bruh. So let me show y'all the details. Like, the shoestrings are like trying to give like a spike kind of look. Oh, y'all, I'm ashy. Forgive me, y'all. Like, I washed my hands so many times. You know, we got COVID and I was doing makeup and just gotta keep them washed. Y'all, these is hard. So this is what they're hitting for. It's giving very Bride Chucky, Brett's doll. Like, these is cool, and I like it because I got a sock on. but I still get a lot of space. They have a lot more space than I actually like predicted. Like, these might actually be too big, but overall, like, they tough. They is definitely tough. Like, I feel like I'm about to give cute, punk, alternative girl realness. This is the Chained and Dangerous oversized spiked hoodie. This is in a size extra large. Again, the prices aren't listed, and I don't know where the receipt thing is, but I'm gonna list the name of the hoodie on the video, and y'all can go look it up. And yeah, oh, yo, oh, they got some weight to it. Oh, yo, this dumb hard. Oh, we gotta change. Oh, nah. Yo. Alright. I don't even know how to properly put this on. First of all. Wait a minute, I'm confused. Hold on. Ugh. Alright. Oh, I got the arm jump offs. Oh, this boy tough. Hold up, something ain't right. Y'all, I ain't do something right. Or did I? Hold up. I don't even know if I got it on right. But the hood, I will put the hood on, but I ain't trying to get too much makeup that I get barely. But this would look like, when I seen this, I had to have it. I was like, yo, this is tough. This really giving like goth, punk rock scene for real, like, yo, this is hard. Let me show y'all. 10 out of 10. It's actually great quality. It's very heavy. I like how it feels. Got pocket space. It's just overall dope. Only thing, the chains were a little confusing. Once you figure it out, you straight. I know I'm probably gonna see this like, girl, what you got on? I'll be like, mind you, this I'm living my best life. I'm trying to get more into who I truly am and inside. I'm a punk rock diva, and I want to get back to those middle school roots. You feel me? Next item, baby. All right, so I just went ahead and put on the next one. It's pretty similar. I wanted this one for a while. This is also called Chained and Dangerous. This is in extra large, but with this one, it's like a crop. It's like really, hold on, I think I got the back. Like tough and weird. There we go. There we go. It's like crop, cut off. Yo, this is dope. Dope beyond. Like, I just love this look. Like, it's edgy, but it's also simple. Like, you can really make a simple outfit hard AF early, never late shorty. So this is hard. I'm just giving everything in this. I'm just really living my best punk life in this. You feel me? Yes, yes. Very comfy, very cozy. I'm feeling it. I'm loving it. I like it. 10 out of 10. The dope is just real. Next item, shorty. So I got me a little purse. This is the Too Faced chain shoulder bag. Ew. Okay. And this says Poster Girl on the packaging. When I seen this purse, I thought it was super dope. Okay, it comes in a little bag like this. And let's see. Ooh. Okay, so this one actually has two straps. So it has a regular black strap. And as you guys notice, I like little cute little dainty stuff like this. And this is why I really wanted it. It has a chain, but it's like, I don't know the technical term for it, but it's a part on a bicycle that has this. And this is like what it looks like. I'm gonna just give you a quick little. Yes, you can give shoulder, give shoulder, give hand, give hand. So like I said, you can give shoulder, like, oh girl, I'm cute, giving shoulder. Or let me switch it up, do the switcheroo for you. Switcheroo for you. Like this if you want to be modest and not be so edgy, you can switch it up. Give hand, like, oh y'all, my purse. Or like I said, do the switcheroo with this. Very cute. Moving on, baby. All right, so I needed some simple run-around shoes. Like, I'm not a big tennis shoe person, but if I had to buy some tennis shoes, they have to be like edgy, but like simple. So I needed some like simple run-around tennis shoes that are black to go with everything that I can wear in rain, sleet, shine, whatever. Because the tennis shoes I had were like fabric, and no. These have some fabric on it too, but they're probably a little bit more sturdier. I just thought these were so hard. Like, they giving like therapeutic shoes but slash goth. They have a platform, so they look huge. I hope they're not too big. But this is called the Devious for the Weekend platform sneakers, and this is in size 8. So let's try it on. So I actually like these shoes way more than expected. Like, I don't know. I really feel like I'm ready to go. Like, they're simple shoes, but the platform just give it that cute little edginess that I like. They're very comfortable. I have space. It feels cozy even with my sock on. Like I said, I think I'm giving like senior citizen goth or something. Cause when I seen these, I was like, yo, these really look like therapeutic shoes you would get from Walmart, but with a twist. But I really like them. Like, for everyday wear, these is it. Perfect, 10 out of 10. What was I expecting? Like, actually, I'm with it. Passion for fashion. Yes. Oh, hold up. Let me try to hit my ball with 2 steps. I'm moving too fast to look stupid. Let me chill out. But yeah. Ew. 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 Oh. Oh. Wait a minute. Oh. Oh. Okay. So I got me another pair of tennis shoes. Y'all really just needed simple everyday shoes because I want to say like 6 out of the 7 days of the week I'm wearing a pair of black fur slides. And that's because I'm usually doing Instacart makeup. Like, I don't gotta wear a uniform anywhere or dress up or anything. So I can be cozy, but I'm like, some days I feel hella bum. So I'm like, let me give me some cute little comfy tennis shoes. So these are the next ones. This is the silver BLACKBERRY platform sneakers in size 8. This is what the box look like. Super dope-ish. Whoever Anthony Wang is. Thank you, Anthony Wang. Now these look like goth Air Max. So that's all the thing when I seen them was. If you know what Nike Air Max are, then you know. If you know, you know. Caesar! Yo. These tougher than what I thought. Oh, these is hard, yo. These really giving like Balenciaga. Like, people think that you gotta spend, you know, thousands of dollars to have style. It's not about how much you cost. It's about actually having style yourself and knowing how to put pieces together. Yo, I don't care what nobody say, anybody opinion, these Jones is tough. 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 Okay, y'all. So the disappointment is real. Like, the shoes cool themselves, but I might need an 8.5. Like, I had to take my sock off. Like, my toe is right in the front. Like, I'm gonna check and see what their return policy is. I don't know, I might just deal with it. But like, I feel like my toes don't have no space. Or it might be the fact that they go with like a slant, so my foot is sliding to the front. But I definitely feel like I should have a little bit more space. I don't know, other than that, the shoes is hard. Like, I'm definitely fucking with them. Like, I really feel like I'm giving edgy snowboarder / stomp your neck out in style. Let me not say that, I apologize. But like, you know, I'm about to pull up to the scene and, you know, whip some tail. But with style, I'm about to be like, what you say, shorty? What you say? Stole my sandwich out my hand? Stole my fries? My fries? But yeah, so I don't know, I may send them back. I may not. I may just sell them on the gram because honestly, like, who feel like taking shoes back? I don't know. We gonna see. All right, you guys. So last but not least, I got some leggings. These are the CRYPT Creeper shredded leggings in size extra large. Let's go ahead. Now, if you're watching this for size purposes, because I like to watch videos of people with similar sizes so I can get an idea of like what I can buy. I am 5'2", approximately 190 pounds. So just to give an idea. So do it have the material? So the material is 95% cotton, 5% stretch. So this is what they look like. Okay, so these are the leggings. They cool, they're comfortable. You gotta be careful putting them on because they are shredded, so it is a little difficult getting them on. This is the back. You can dress these up or down with a pair of tennis if you're a badass. You wear some heels with it. However, I'm gonna hook them up, but I do like these. I just don't know what I'm about to rock it with. I was thinking about one of those hoodies I got, but I'm not sure. I'll put it together, but I just like it really cute, really simple. I like cute but simple pieces. Like, I love fashion, but I'm not really big on coordinating random stuff like some people can. I like the most simplest pieces as long as my faces be and they hitting for real. Like, I'm satisfied. But yes, hunty, that is the end of trying stuff on. All right, people, so that is the end of my haul. I hope you enjoyed. Comment down below and tell me what your favorite piece of the haul was. Definitely, you know, leave some suggestions in the comments if you know of any black-owned brands that have similar styles and similar items like you see on Dolls Killed. I'm really trying to find that. That's like my biggest thing. This is the biggest thing for a lot of us. A lot of people are trying to create it, but I know it takes time. You know, inventory is expensive and XYZ. We all know how it goes. But other than that, I really do like what I bought. I'm a little disappointed about my Anthony Wayne collection shoes, whatever the silver and black ones. I'm going to see. I may sell them, I may give them away. I don't know, we'll see. I may make them work, but who wants their toes to be balled up? Because I sure don't. But other than that, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. What you here for? Ain't gonna subscribe. You know, I need all the support I can get. Let's go ahead and pass this video past 500. Comment down below with any suggestions. Let me know you enjoyed yourself. And thanks again for watching. Bye.